Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans, and today we are exploring a beautiful attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Al-Adl. He is the absolute justice. Justice is the opposite of tyranny. Tyranny causes pain, destruction, and disturbance. Justice secures peace, balance, order, and harmony. Allah the Just is the enemy of tyrants. He hates those who support tyrants and their friends, sympathizers. In Islam, tyranny in any form or shape is unlawful. To be just is an honor and a distinction befitting a Muslim. These opposites, justice and tyranny, have wide implications more important than their simple moral and social consequences. They are equivalent to harmony versus disharmony, order versus chaos, right versus wrong. If in expression of his generosity someone gave money to the rich, swords to scholars and books to soldiers, he would at one level be considered a tyrant. For swords befit soldiers, books befit scholars, and the poor need the money. Yet, if Allah did the same, his act would be justice, for he sees all, the before and the after, the inner and the outer. He is all-knowing, Al-Alim, the beneficent, the merciful, Al-Rahim, the absolute justice, Al-Adl. He creates some beautiful and others ugly, some strong and others weak. Then he renders the beautiful ugly and the strong weak, the rich poor, the wise stupid, the healthy sick. All is just, all is right. It seems unjust to some of us that are people who are lame, blind, deaf, starving, insane, and that the young they die. Allah is the creator of the beautiful and of the ugly, the good as well as the bad. And these are the mysteries difficult to understand. Yet we understand at least that one often needs to know the opposite of a thing in order to understand it. Whoever has not experienced sadness, do you think he can understand the happiness or he can know the happiness? If there were no ugliness, we would be blind to recognize the beauty. Both good and bad are necessary. Allah shows one with the other, the right against the wrong, and shows us the consequences of each. He shows us the rewards versus the punishments. Then he leaves us free to use our own judgment. Each according to his lot may find salvation in misery and sickness, or domination in riches. Allah knows what is best for his creation. Only Allah knows our destinies. The realization of his justice. Out of respect for the beautiful name of Allah, Al-Adl, we must learn to exercise shukr, tawakkul, and irada, gratefulness and trust in God, and acceptance. We must be grateful, thankful for the good, and accept without personal judgment or complaint whatever falls to our lot that does not seem to be good. In so doing, perhaps the mystery of Allah's justice will be revealed to us, and we'll be happy with both the joy and the pain coming from the beloved. So who is Abdul Adl? Abdul Adl is the one who applies to himself first that which he intends to do to others. His actions are never under the influence of anger, revenge, or self-interest. They are never to the detriment of others. He behaves and acts according to the rules of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yet, such a person knows that divine justice is not equality as human beings imagine it to be. He gives their rights in right measure to those who have the right. So someone may be fair in his treatment of others, yet opposed by them. If such a person writes this beautiful divine name on the mouthful of bread and eats it on Friday night, his opponents will see the truth and obey him, if Allah so wills. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.